Today's Latin phrase is Amicus Curiae. Amicus Curiae. Literally, it means friend of court. It's used for someone not a party to the case but assists the court by providing information. They file documents like briefs to the court expressing their opinions. Such amicus curiae could even be interested in the case. The Supreme Court of India has laid down rules for appointing amicus curiae. There are 4 norms. Where a life sentence or death sentence could be awarded, the amicus curiae should have put in at least 10 years' practice at the bar. In high courts, senior advocates must be considered first. Amicus curiae must be provided with reasonable time to prepare the matter. There is no hard and fast rule for determining such duration. Amicus curiae should have the right to meet and discuss matters with the accused. Let's look at some sentences to know how it's practically used. The Supreme Court granted a certiorari over a specific law, and a party filed an amicus brief questioning the validity of the law. Psychologists can legally intervene in lawsuits through amicus curiae. The NGO filed a motion to appear as amicus curiae in the case. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.